Okay, older pool, older equipment set. We large pool with slightly raised spa, and we got an old, that's probably an American stainless steel filter, a Raypak heater, a Pentair Challenger pump, and a Polaris BB460 booster pump. All right, so the first thing we want to do, we lose power and it is getting cold and we have a freeze damage threat. We want to open this valve because your hot tub is just slightly raised. So we'll open this valve. The spa will probably drain down from the spa here down to the pool and drop in level a little bit. And we won't have any water locked up in here. Then on the pump itself, we have a thumb screw right here. And on this pump, the second thumb screw is right here. This one's difficult to get to, so I can barely get my hand in here. But you just pull these thumb screws out. Make sure you get the O-rings with it. When you go to put them back, lube the O-rings and make sure the O-rings aren't cracked before you put them in there. You want to take the pump lid off. Every plug you pull, you're going to put in this pump basket. This basket's going to drain completely empty, and you're going to put all your thumb screws and all your plugs in that pump basket. All right, now on your booster pump, you have a PB460 booster pump. Your drain plug is right here. That is also a thumb screw. On your filter, you have a backwash valve. So we're going to take the backwash valve and we're going to put it part way. That's full backwash. We're going to take it about halfway, and that way we completely open this chamber, and we're going to take this blue hose off so we can completely drain that valve and not freeze inside of the valve. On your back side of the filter drain plug is right here. I want you to take either a small pair of channel locks, or what I like to use is a screwdriver, and I stick it in the slot and turn it that way, and then you can thread it out, and you're going to completely take that out and put this plug into your pump basket. Now we're going to come up here, we're going to unscrew this completely, take this plug out so air can replace the water in the filter, will drain completely out. It's going to make a mess here, but don't worry about that. That will clean up. And you're going to take this and put it in your pump basket. On your heater, if I don't get to bypass it, on your heater, the drain plug is right here. It's been snapped off. So this is your tool. You should be able to grab this tightly and thread that out. And thread this all the way out, and this will protect the heater from freezing. You might be able to find a tool that works better, but so you can hear that, open that up. So you want to make sure you get that drain plug out and put it in your pump basket with your other plugs. Also on this particular heater, if you can pop this off, there's another drain plug right here that you can put a pair of needle nose or pair of pliers on that and thread this out also. That will evacuate the water out of on the backside header. In the pool itself, you have one skimmer. So I want you to put a half empty water bottle into the skimmer. That way we don't have to worry about near as much any freeze damage inside the skimmer. So we'll float a half empty water bottle. In your hot tub, I would take a couple containers. You can use milk jugs or whatever's convenient that you can half fill with water. Float those in the hot tub. You can also float a few in the pool. So if we do start icing over, it makes it easier to break up, and it gives the force of the ice something else to put pressure on other than your pool walls and your pretty tile. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.